So I got 3 batteries with me to fly today, and it's quite cold today, but I want to try to fly the DJI Avata in cold and see how it does, how it performs. And yeah, everything is connected. The drone is there. We're gonna use a manual controller for that, and yeah, let's have a look. All right, so I'm gonna fly in manual. So I got my manual controller here, and the drone is there. Let's move a bit more far. And yeah, let's have a look. As you can see, it's a bit cold today. It's quite interesting. Let's fly. And here you go, back to the car. As you can see me. And yeah. Okay. Got 76. 76, so I got another 14 minutes fly time. It's a bit weird because I can't see properly. And I'm gonna bring my drone back and see what's wrong with the goggles. Okay, so here you go. Let's land the drone. Okay, let's have a look at the goggles. What's wrong? I can't see properly. Okay, I'm gonna go and get the drone. Just 1 sec. Let's have a look again. Alright. I'm just looking. Okay. Maybe because it's too bright outside, I can't just fly properly. Okay, and let's start again. I think it's better now. Alright, and here you go. Oh, that's my glasses. Where's my control? Yeah, here you go. Okay, so let's try again. Is that recording? Yeah. Cool, so let's fly it again. Okay, so I think it's a bit windy, and for some reason the drone it flies sideways. Let's switch to sport mode and see. And you can see me. It's an old castle. And that's again me. And I still got another 10 minutes flight time, which is good. And it's weird I can fly a very straight line. So probably need more practice. Here you go. And we're gonna do it's quite nice this now. It's interesting. Send my drone. Ooh, so here you go. We're gonna bring my drone down back because there's 5 minutes left and I don't wanna risk it much. And here you go. Back again here. And again I got another 7 minutes. Oh, it's just freezing. My hands are cold now. I wanna kill this battery. Just because I got another 2 left. And here you go, the car. Just letting you know I'm flying in sport mode. As you can see, it's S there. Oh, just my brain gets cold now. Oof, I'm gonna bring the drone back. Just because now I'm freezing. I think I need to calibrate the camera as well. Just because you can see it's not really in a straight line. So I'm gonna switch it back to normal mode. Let's get the drone down. Auto landing, and I think I'll need to calibrate the camera. That's because it's flying a bit sideways. Okay, alright, so give me a sec. We'll go to calibrate the camera and see how it is. My wife, she's looking from a phone what I'm doing, what I'm flying. Okay, and let's have a look what's wrong with the camera. Maybe it should go. It's not the camera, I think. Settings, safety. Okay. Probably we're gonna have to look home where I can calibrate the camera. Here you go, the camera. And okay. Well, I'm gonna have to look home. Let's have a look. Transmissions, how many channels I got. As you can see, I got 3 channels, which is good. Okay. It's very cold. Okay. So yes, guys, I've flown my drone, just killed 1 battery in a cold. I think it doesn't really bad, so it does good. The flight time, it was like, well, I still have like another 5 minutes left. But the flight time was like 10 minutes, which is not bad. And if you like this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next video. Thank you.